Hello, welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add an animated overlay. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And then the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is find yourself an animated overlay. I'm not going to lie, it's taking me quite a while to get one. I don't know why. They used to all be like free and super easy to get, but you know, everything needs to get monetized these days, right? So, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to, I believe it's media source. I think it used to say video, but they must have changed it, or maybe I just had it in my mind. I just say, oh, it's video. So yeah, you click on media source and then press loop, and then now, as you see, you have this animated overlay. So a lot of them, if you want it to be a lot easier, you could have it be like a transparent video, but having this be a thing isn't that big of a problem. So you just want to go to filters, apply, and then chroma key, and then now you are chilling, and it just goes ahead and it'll chroma key. And now, as you see, I have an animated overlay on top of my video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to leave them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.